Discover the Waykars 80-Pints Dehumidifier, ideal for spaces up to 5,000 square feet, perfect for basements, homes, offices, and large rooms. This Energy Star certified dehumidifier is designed to remove up to 80 pints of moisture per day under optimal conditions, keeping your spaces comfortable. With an intelligent touch control panel, you can easily adjust humidity settings from 30% to 80%, set a 24-hour timer, and monitor room humidity levels. The smart dehumidification feature ensures it maintains your preferred moisture setting automatically. Enjoy a quiet experience with this lightweight, portable design that operates at a lower decibel level. Worried about maintenance? 2 drainage options are provided: empty the 14-gallon water tank or use the included 3-foot drain hose for continuous draining. Plus, the detachable and washable filter ensures healthy and fresh air in your spaces. Backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, a 1-year warranty, extended 2nd-year warranty, and lifetime expert tech support, you can trust Waykars to solve any dehumidification needs. Don't let excess moisture affect your comfort. Invest in the Waykars 80 Pints Dehumidifier today.